Did you know that about 30% of newborns are low birth weight and require special care? Hello, I am Dr. Kaushiki Shankar, Senior Consultant in Charge Neonatology at Max Super Specialty Hospital, Shalimar Bagh. I'll be addressing the common concerns of the parents. One important question that comes in the mind of parents, that will their baby get admitted necessarily in NICU? No, it is not like that. If the baby is born at and above 34 and 35 weeks of gestation age and has a birth weight of around 1800 to 2000 grams, does not have any respiratory distress, does not have any other antenatal risk factor, is not shifted to an ICU. Baby stays with their mother on exclusive breastfeeding and skin-to-skin care. Whereas babies who are born preterm or have any other risk factor or have respiratory distress or have required resuscitation at birth, did not cry immediately after birth, or any other risk factor that is present that affects their vitals, such babies are shifted to an ICU. Next question is the care that the babies require in an ICU. It depends on the condition of the baby. So some babies are born with respiratory distress. They require respiratory support in the form of CPAP, non-invasive ventilation, sometimes invasive ventilation. Or if the babies are so sick that they are not able to maintain saturation on conventional mechanical ventilation, then they require high frequency oscillatory ventilation also. Some babies require tube feeding. Some babies require parenteral nutrition whenever indicated. Some babies require phototherapy and exchange transfusion depending on the severity of jaundice. Some babies require therapeutic hypothermia if they have not cried immediately after birth and have required resuscitation and have hypoxic ischemic encephalopathy. So another question is, for how long does a baby require stay in an ICU? So there's no such prefixed criteria. It depends on the condition or cause for which the baby was admitted in NICU. Suppose if the baby was born at 24 to 25 weeks of gestation age, then such babies require stay for as long as even 3 to 4 months till they attain an age of 35 weeks post-menstrual age and 1800 grams and above on room air, accepting cup feeds well or breastfeeds well, and mother is confident in taking care of the baby. Who takes care of the baby in an ICU? So the NICU in Max Hospital Shalimar Bagh is manned 24/7 by neonatologists who are pediatricians specially trained in taking care of the newborns. Also, there are nursing staff who are again specially trained in taking care of such tender babies. So another question that comes in the mind of people, that who can visit in an ICU and when can they visit? So here at Max, mother is welcome 24/7 in the NICU and she is encouraged in getting involved in taking care of the baby as long as her health permits. She is also encouraged to do kangaroo mother care as it improves mother-infant bonding in addition to other benefits. So here at Max Super Specialty Hospital, Shalimar Bagh, you can be assured that your baby is in safe and experienced hands. We have a track record of 99% successful discharge rates, and this is because we follow evidence-based protocols. So allow us to take care of your baby till your baby grows to a stage after which only parental care is required.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest healthcare updates.